Hello, do you exercise in the morning? Not sure what to eat before you begin? Let's make it really easy. There are two main kinds of exercise. First, the kind that makes your heart beat fast. Think of running or riding a bike. Your body uses fat it has stored to give you energy. It also uses energy from the food you ate before. Pretty cool, right? Now, if your exercise is easy and not too long, you might feel fine without eating much first. Maybe you just go for a short run, no problem. But if you plan to work hard or keep going for a long time, like a big bike ride, a small snack can help. Pick foods that give you quick energy. This way, you feel better and can keep going strong. The second kind is strength exercises. This is when you lift weights or do things to make your muscles stronger. For this, your body uses energy stored right in your muscles. Imagine it like fuel that's ready for your muscles to use. Let's talk about dinner. Did you eat a good dinner late last night? Your muscles might still have lots of energy. If so, you might not need to eat anything before lifting weights in the morning. You're all set. But what if you ate dinner early, like at 5 or 6 pm? Your muscles might not have much energy left. A small snack can help. Try something quick, like a piece of fruit, about 30 minutes before you lift weights. It fills up your energy a little so you can do your best. Here's one more thing. Did you eat dinner early and now you exercise late in the morning, like at 10 am? That's a long time with no food. Your muscles might feel really low on energy. You should eat a good breakfast before 2 hours before you exercise. What makes a good breakfast? Include foods that give you energy like bread or oats. Add foods that help your body grow strong like eggs or yogurt. And put a little healthy fat like from nuts or avocado. This keeps you ready to move. Here's something very important. Any food you eat before exercising should fit into what you plan to eat all day. Don't just eat extra food because you're exercising. Stick to your plan and you will feel great. So, what do you eat before exercising in the morning? Tell me your ideas in the comments below. Sharing helps other people too. I would love to hear what works for you. Bye for now.